But as you plan out your Thursday, we'll stay cool for the rest of the day. 69 degrees at noon, 74 at 5. Those breezy winds staying with us out of the west, anywhere mostly from about 10 to 20 miles per hour, again affecting the lakeshore the most. So we do have a high beach hazard risk for everyone along the lakeshore. Small craft advisory in play as we have waves 5 to 7 feet for the first half of the day, then subsiding 3 to 5 later on this evening. So this is a look at South Haven for what we can see for this time in the morning. You can already have the whitecaps there out on the water. So this is a day to not go to the lakeshore. Stay off the pier, stay out of the water. Currents can be strong in this as we'll continue with these high waves into the afternoon and evening. Tonight, mostly clear, 55. Maybe that isolated sprinkle or two tonight or tomorrow, and then a gorgeous weekend, cooler, but a mix of sun and clouds. We're only going to stay cool for so long, though. The Climate Prediction Center for the next 8 to 14 days is putting us in warm, above average temperatures, and we'll even start to tap into this as early as the middle of next week, and we're really going to set up in some calmer conditions. So here's the first 3 days of our 7-day. Again, that isolated shower today or tomorrow, many of you staying dry and then dry through the weekend with those cooler temperatures. And we'll start to warm up again next week. We're going to have an upper level ridge starting to develop, warming us up back into the 80s, keeping us with sunshine as we work towards 84 degrees next Wednesday.